Today we're going to be going over some Shiba Inu Coin news that you do not want to miss. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. We're going to be implementing a like goal of about 400 likes for this video, so if we can hit that, that'd be awesome. And if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use Public, the social investing app. You can follow us on there at It's Finance Bro, see our portfolio, and then when you deposit $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and then invest in the Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you got yourself some free Shib. With all that out of the way, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see we're down about 3% on the day. Now we have held our levels pretty good, and obviously yesterday this was when we were kind of up in the 50-ish range, so it kind of makes sense that we are down 3% right now, but guys, we can have green days every day. I assume we're gonna have a green day here very soon, but we're gonna be going over that in the technical analysis, as well as a few pieces of news that you need to know right now, so stick around till the end of the video for that. But first I want to give an update on the social activity, and that is going to be coming from StockTwits. So we can see that Shiba Inu Coin is currently the 4th most active cryptocurrency or stock on StockTwits. Now this is above AMC, which is just having some detrimental days recently. I really feel bad for the AMC community. This is a community we've made videos on before, but obviously Shib down about 3% as well, so we're kind of feeling their pain there, but we are still the most active cryptocurrency on here, so I do like to see that. Okay, and here's our first piece of news for today, and that's going to be coming from Ask the Doctor, and Ask the Doctor has added about 1.5 million USD, or about 31 billion Shib, to their balance sheet via Kraken. So Kraken Exchange listed Shiba Inu Coin just yesterday, and then this Ask the Doctor Canadian company basically added $1.5 million via Kraken, and they are 72 hours from accepting Shib with their healthcare partners. So guys, their Shiba Inu Coin is getting into the healthcare field. This is some insane news. This is some awesome news. They've added 1.5 million USD. I'm assuming they'll be adding more if Shib really goes well for them in terms of their balance sheet goes. So good thing to see here with Ask the Doctor adding to their position 1.5 million USD, or 31 billion Shib, to their balance sheet. That's some really cool stuff. Here's another piece of news that is pretty cool. Almost 70% of Shiba Inu Coin holders are in profit despite recent volatility. So this is something that we really need to bring up because a lot of people in our comment sections, and especially on TikTok, I don't know if you guys follow us on TikTok, but everyone in there says, oh, classic bag holder, whenever I talk about Shiba Inu Coin on TikTok, or in the YouTube comments as well on these videos. People that are looking for news for Shiba Inu Coin that we give them, they always say, hey guys, you're bag holding Shiba Inu Coin, this thing is over. But 70% of Shib holders are in profit, even despite being down like 43% or whatever it was in November. So that is really good to see. Not only that, but it says 69% of dog coin holders, or Shiba Inu Coin holders, are profiting from the current price, with 10% breaking even. So about 80% of people have not lost money on Shiba Inu Coin. So we don't have a lot of bag holders here in Shiba Inu Coin. 20% lost money on 21% lost money on their investments. And this is according to metrics provided by cryptocurrency intelligence platform IntoTheBlock.com. So 70% of people are profiting on Shiba Inu Coin, 10% haven't lost any money, and then 21% have lost money. So we don't have a lot of bag holders here, and that's just something I want to bring up. A lot of people say, hey, we're going to be losing the bag on Shiba Inu Coin, I think I'm just going to sell. Still 70% of people are making money. So and even only 20% of people are losing money. So if you are one of those people that have lost money, I would say you're probably going to gain money by this time. So or gain money in the next month. I think December is going to be very good to Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, then they go over technical analysis. So I'm gonna do my own technical analysis. This is just something I wanted to bring up, that Shiba Inu Coin holders we're profiting, baby. We're in the green. Come on, let's go. And we're going to continue to be green for the rest of December, in my opinion. But yeah, now let's get into the global crypto market. So overall, just a regular day in the crypto market, as well as the stock market. We're pretty much just at zeros everywhere. We're not like, breaking down or, having a massive pump or anything. But we are seeing about a $2.64 trillion global crypto market. Bitcoin is under 60K. That makes sense. They haven't been doing quite as good as Ethereum has in the last week. Obviously, Ethereum's up 10%, while Bitcoin's only up 1%. But when we come down here, we are still below AVAX and Dogecoin. Dogecoin also losing, though. They're down 2% in the last 7 days. Shiba Inu Coin obviously up 21%. And we got to put that into perspective too, guys. Shiba Inu Coin is still up 21%. Even though we're down 2% today, we'll be fine, and I think that we'll be breaking up soon, or breaking towards the upside very soon. We'll go over that in just 1 second. Let's get into the really good number here, or really important number here, sorry. Only $4 billion in volume, guys. So if you guys remember what I was saying yesterday, we had $9.5 billion in volume, and I was like, if we can keep above $8 billion in volume, we can see another 20 to 30% increase. But we have fallen to about a $3.9 billion in volume. This is still better than when we were doing about $1 to $2 billion in volume every day. However, I would really like to stay above $4 billion. We are down 60% in the last 24 hours in terms of volume. I think we might get a certain catalyst soon. Hint, hint, Robinhood. I don't have any, real information on that, but I really think that that they will be rolling out wallets soon, along with Shiba Inu Coin. Personally, I made a video on that earlier today, but I think we will break out of this consolidation soon, and we'll be in the $10 to $20 billion range soon. But for the next couple of days, I really hope we stay in the $3 to $4 billion range, so we can still have some 5 to 10% gains in the next couple of days. But yeah, now let's go into the technical analysis. So the good thing here is that we have stayed above our new support, which I think is going to be at the 44 level. So basically, we are also going to have a resistance here at the 53.77 level, because that is where we reached, obviously, and we have stayed above very well this support line. So this was a previous resistance line that we had that we broke above, and that was how we were able to go to this next resistance line at the 54. But I think that we have now made a new support here at the 44 that was previously our resistance, and as long as we don't go below 44, I think we should be good. We might consolidate. As you can see, the volume has ticked down, and we've talked about that today, but I think we'll consolidate for a bit, we'll get a catalyst, and then we will head back up, break this resistance, go towards all-time highs, finish out December by deleting a zero, which would be over 100% gains from here. But yeah, the RSI is sitting perfectly at 45. We like to see that RSI, and we're trying to fight back and obviously trend back up on this MACD right now. But yeah, make sure you guys come to our live stream. We will be live streaming at 5 p.m. if you guys want to ask Eastern Standard Time, if you guys want to ask us any questions about Shiba Inu Coin or anything else in general. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video, as it really helps with the growth of the channel, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. We know it's extremely strong, but let's check how strong it is, and then also get your free stock with the first link in the description. You can get yourself some free Shib with that, so do that with the first link in the description. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.